Hello everyone, another day, another legal learning. Today we will be talking about what are the leave benefits enjoyed by our personnel in the public school system. Under Republic Act 4670 or the Magna Carta for Public School Teachers and Civil Service Commission, each personnel, both teaching and non-teaching in the public school, enjoys these following benefits. 33 days each given to teaching and non-teaching personnel. So 33 days, 15 days na ang tawagan na is sick leave. Another 15 days, we call that vacation leave. In that 15 days vacation leave, 5 days are considered or tawagon na siya forced leave. Each personnel, gamiton dyan siya nga naman. It cannot be carried over to the next year. And another 3 days, nagitawag na to Special Privilege Leave or SPL. So kaning SPL para asa man siya gamiton? Gamiton ni siya para sa ato ang birthday, pwedeng anniversary, or imuhang graduation or graduation sa imong anak, or any milestone na mahitabo nimo. Pwede sad para kana mag-mourn ka kay mamatay, or accident immediate family nimo, or for relocation kung mag-relocate man ka sa imuhang balay. Muna siya gamit aning tulo ka Special Privilege Leave. But take note, ang Special Privilege Leave is only enjoyed for our non-teaching personnel. So, ang teaching personnel, maka-earn sila o gitawag na to service credit. And each year, based on guidelines, at least 15 days ang pwedeng ma-accumulate na service credit each teaching personnel. But there are sometimes mga memorandum of dependency orders na on top of 15 days, pwede pa yun ma-add as service credit. While our non-teaching personnel, if na-service credit ang mga teaching personnel, ang non-teaching, they are enjoying the so-called CTO or the compensatory time off. Most of the ilang gamiton kung service credit ang sa mga teachers para di sila mainusan sa ilang mga leave benefits, kani ilang gamiton. Kung sa non-teaching, they will be using their CTO. Another, naputay gitawag na study leave na pwedeng i-enjoy sa ito ang teaching and non-teaching personnel. Pwede ni siya up to 1 year with pay na study leave. Para ni siya for our professional growth. The Department of Education teaching and non-teaching personnel also enjoys leave benefits coming from our special law. Example of this is Republic Act 11210 or the Expanded Maternity Leave Act na maghatag sa ato ang mga female personnel 105 with pay maternity leave and optional 30 days but without pay maternity leave. This is used for unlimited birth by our female personnel. Then the counterpart sa mga lalaki na tong personnel, they also be given paternity leave na 7 days under Republic Act 8187. Also, Solo Parent Act. This is a 7-day leave given to solo parent. 7 days annually na siya. So, ang parent lang o solo parent lang may mag-choose asa niya na months or days na gamiton. Then, another is the so-called gynecological leave para sa atuaning mga babae na personnel. Para ni siya gamiton sa 2 months ni siya na leave. Gamiton for operation sa ilang mga gynecological mga ailments or illnesses. And lastly, the VAUSI leave, which I will be talking to my next video. So thank you so much for listening and watching. Hope it will help. Please like and share. And thank you so much. God bless us all.